Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Laspiza here. I'm going to go over this week's phonics rule. So, last week we worked on the phonics rule OO. And last week we worked on the sound, long sound, ooh. It was found in the middle of the word, as in tooth. Let's do our diphthong drill as a review. So, in Miss Laspiza's class, Miss Laspiza likes to say it first. You boys and girls listen, and then you repeat. So please put the listening ears on. Name of the pattern is OO. Sound is ooh. Found, middle of the word, as in tooth. Okay, your turn to say it. Name of the pattern? Good. Sound is very good. Ooh, found, as in. Nice job, boys and girls. So that was last week's phonics rule. This week we're going to focus on the same phonics rule, OO. However, it does not say the oo sound, it says the sound. And this is a short sound. It's also found in the middle of the word, as in book. Ready? You listen. Please put the listening ears on first. I will say it, and then we will repeat it together. Ready? Name of the pattern is OO. Sound is Found, middle of the word, as in book. Okay, your turn to say it out loud. Ready? Here we go. Name of the pattern is? Good job. Sound, found, as in book. Nice job, boys and girls. We'll be working on this week's phonics rule all week. Have a great day.